Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
He captained his country in cricket and will now lead it as Prime Minister. Imran Khan has claimed victory in a general election centred around anti-corruption, but has been forced to deny allegations by jealous rivals of vote rigging and fraud.
Cricketer, campaigner and now Prime Minister.
I want all of Pakistan to be united in this moment.
Within hours of polls closing, Imran Khan's supporters were celebrating. And nearly all the country's media predicted Khan's party, Pakistan Movement for Justice, would win. He pledged to improve relations with India and the US and vowed to stamp out corruption.
Accountability will start with me, then my ministers, and then we will work our way down.
His rivals say the military helped Khan by blocking their campaigners from polling stations, but he maintains this was the fairest election in the country's history. The result marks an extraordinary evolution. After a decorated cricket career as an all-rounder and Pakistan captain, he retired in 1992, launching his political party 4 years later on an anti-corruption platform. But political success was difficult and his personal life created headlines. In 1995, he married British heiress Jemima Goldsmith, with whom he had 2 sons. They split in 2004 and he's since married 2 other women. Still, she remains supportive, tweeting 22 years later, after humiliations, hurdles and sacrifices, my son's father is Pakistan's next PM. But in a country battling economic woes and ongoing violent conflicts, the new leader's work is only just beginning. Laurel Irving, 7 News.